With example 5, we are told that Ryan is saving money for a new car when he turns 16. He currently has $600 and plans to save $200 per month. We're asked to write a linear function to represent his savings for any number of months, m. And we're also asked to make a function table to find the total savings for 3, 6, 9, and 12 months, and then asked to graph the function. Is the function continuous or discrete? Explain, and then finally interpret the points that we graphed. So I went ahead and graphed a coordinate plane here, so we can graph that later. We're asked to write the function first. So what is our function going to be? Let's go ahead and, since we're calling m equals months, instead of x, let's go ahead and call it f of m equals, so he already has $600. That's going to be our y-intercept. And then he's saving $200 per month, so 200 times the number of months. So our function is going to be f of m equals 200 times the number of months, m, plus 600, what he already has. So we'll go ahead and plot a few points. We have f of m equals 200m plus 600. 200 is the amount per month, and 600 is the initial value that he saved, or already has saved. So at 3 months, we're looking at 200 times 3 plus 600, which equals 600 plus 600, which equals 1200. At 6, we have 200 times 6 plus 600, which equals 1200 plus 600, which equals 1800. At 9 months, we have 200 times 9 plus 600, which equals 1800 plus 600, which equals 2400. And then 200 times 12 plus 600, we have 2400 plus 600, which equals 3,000. So I went ahead and extended the vertical axis to where we get up to the amount saved in 12 months. And now we simply plot the points that we determined. So 3, 1,200. So that would be right here. Then 6 and 1,800, which is going to be right about here. 9 and 2,400. And then 12 and our 3,000. And we should be able to go ahead and draw a line through those points. Technically, we shouldn't really be graphing the line, but this is just for visualization purposes. We're asked after we graph to determine is the function continuous or discrete, and to explain. Well, it is discrete. Again, that line was just for visualization purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that line. At 0, we have 600 because that's what he has saved initially. And we know this is discrete. The reason for that is because he's not saving any money in between. It's on a monthly basis. So there's no value between each interval where it goes up $200. And then we're asked to interpret the points. Each point is simply what he has saved, y, or f of m, at each month, m. So in other words, for, let's say, 0, 600, that means it's been 0 months, and he's saved $600. At 3, 1,200, he's saved for 3 months, and he has saved $1,200. So with each input, we're looking at the number of months. With each output, we're looking at what he has saved at that number of months. So in 3 months, he's saved $1,200. 6 months, $1,800. 9 months, $2,400. And at 12 months, $3,000. And again, it's discrete because there's no time in between. It's not rising on a continuous scale. It's jumping up that much every month, $200 per month.